Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about the Pinterest trends. This is also another section on the platform which gives you idea about what's trending right now on Pinterest. So you'll get a lot of idea about what's most of the time people are searching on Pinterest and the future trends as well. Predictions are being done and you will get to see all that information in this section. So let's have a look at this. So once you're on the platform, we can come to specifically Pinterest trends. And this is where you will get to see a lot of insights. So you can see this is where you can search for keywords and understand what's trending right now. So you can see top trends right now in US this month. So that information is being given here. And they will also give you some seasonal trends. So you can see view some seasonal trends over here. As you can see, Mother's Day gifts, May nail ideas. Okay, all these are going to be some discover trends in the US right now. Now, apart from this, what you can also do is you can also do some filtering and you can decide what type of trends you want to see. So you can say, let's say we are going for top monthly trends. So then we'll get to see that information right here. And now what you can also do is you can add some interest. Let's say your business is specifically in education. So you can choose education. Now, education specific information will be shown up right here. Now, for example, let's look at the first one, New Year resolution. So you will get to see the trends for that as well in this particular manner. So this is how we can make use of the Pinterest trends, which gives you more idea about what's trending more in your business, in your domain. Same way, you can add some keywords. Let's say we're adding digital marketing over here, and we'll try to see some ideas there. So with digital marketing, we can see some interest over here. Search volumes are there, and we can go deeper into this. We can use these keywords possibly in our campaigns as well. So like this, you can do a lot of keyword research, interest research from the trends section and use them in your audience targeting, which you're doing, which will help you to target your users more often. Now, apart from this, you can also do you can add ages as well, ages ages as well, okay, wherein you can add ages like over here in this manner. And then you can also do gender. Okay, so in gender, what you can do is we can add gender, which is male, female, and then that will give you insights about how your interest in terms of you will get to see what is trending more from this particular section. I hope this makes sense and you are able to use this to build a better audience set for your campaigns.